Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 right here, but even if you have a different year, guys, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to go ahead and open the fuse box, the one that's under the hood. That's the fuse box that we need. So if you look at that fuse box, if you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator in the center, guys, you have a fuse box. When you open it, you'll face it that way. Okay, you have the relays, fuses right here as well, guys. Now before we continue, let us tell you why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So as you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. Those could be really expensive, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The first fuse that we need to check, if we come in the very last row right here, that's where we'll be working, from the very left to right. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse now right here, it's known as fuse number 66. That's the fuse that you need to check, in our case 20 amp fuse, guys. After that, we're going to come from the right side to the left. Even if you're missing a fuse, you count it, 1, 2, 3. That's fuse number 72. That 20 amp fuse is for the center console power outlet as well.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.